I'm Heather with WTI. Sometimes it just feels better to wear his shirt, right? They are so comfortable. They're broken in nicely. I can't say I look better in it because he definitely looks better in it, but this ICEE shirt is a really nice, soft material. It's a good blend. I love what it looks like on him. Such a hottie. It's a great blend and a really comfortable feel. We like this slogan. It's just a throwback to our youth. It was a fun shirt. It's a comfortable shirt that doesn't lose its shape. That's really important to me. I like to be able to wash and dry his shirts. He's a really tall guy, so a lot of cotton shirts will shrink up, not when they have this nice blend. And I really appreciate how soft it is. He's very comfortable in it. He prefers this fabric every single time I get him a tee. The graphic is intentionally faded, distressed. It's a really good look, not a very bold picture. It just looks like a well-worn shirt, which makes for a comfortable look and feel. And even though it looks better on him, he's such a hottie, it is nice, comforting feeling to wear his clothes sometimes. So if you're like me and you like to rock your man's clothes sometimes, get this one. It's comfortable, it's beautiful, but it's also kind of fun to steal for myself and wear when I'm missing him. And that's my point of view.